Hello, everyone. Today we are very hungry but very lazy.
Yes, watch us fight about who will cook dinner. It's going to be funny.
I am so hungry.
Me too. Then go cook.
Me? I cooked yesterday.
No, you only boiled water.
That is still cooking.
Then today you can cook real food.
My back hurts.
My whole body hurts more.
I am older than you.
Only by 1 year.
1 year is a long time.
Then you should be wiser. Go cook.
I am too weak today.
You were strong when eating snacks.
Snacks are light work.
Cooking is also light. Just stand there.
Standing is hard.
Talking is easy. You talk too much.
Okay, let's order food.
No money. You spent it on candy.
Candy is important.
Food is more important.
Then you cook.
Nice try. I am tired.
I will help you.
Help means sitting and watching?
I can taste the food.
That is not helping.
I can also smell it.
Even worse.
Okay, I will wash dishes.
There are no dishes yet.
I am preparing early.
Then prepare dinner too.
Add water, it becomes soft.
That is soup?
Yes, bread soup.
You are very funny, but no.
I will cook tomorrow.
I am hungry today.
Then we sleep early.
Sleep with empty stomach? No way.
I can dream about food.
I want real food, not dreams.
You cook better than me.
You flatter me too late.
You are beautiful when cooking.
I am beautiful all the time.
Yes, yes, queen of the kitchen.
Then the king should help.
The king is resting.
The queen is also resting.
Then who cooks?
Good question.
Maybe the neighbor?
Go ask them yourself.
I am shy.
You are not shy when eating.
Fine, I will cook a little.
What is a little?
I cook rice only.
And what about food?
We eat rice with imagination.
I will hit you with imagination.
Okay, I cook everything.
Really? I don't believe you.
But you must help me.
Ah, now you need me.
Please, dear. You cut vegetables.
You cook the rest.
Deal.
Deal!
But you start first.
No, you start first.
Let's cook together.
Finally, a smart idea.
After dinner, I wash dishes.
Good. I will watch you.